completely surrounded! Help us, please!
Are you the reinforcements? Help the soldiers, please!
to the barracks! If you can still fight, prepare yourselves for the next assault!
Quick! There's not much time!
Are you the one? The warrior who scattered the armies of the night and entered the castle from the front gates? Who are you? What is your name?
Galen.
Galen. I am Zurich, Chancellor of this kingdom. And you? What purpose brings you to Orphea?
To battle the Lord of the Night.
You are full of surprises, warrior. The army that the Lord of the Night commands has already invaded this sacred land and has us completely surrounded. From your menacing countenance, I find it hard to believe that you would have the kind of devotion that would lead you to join our army as a servant of the goddess.
So you doubt me. Can't hurt to be cautious, I suppose.
Galen, what of the land you hail from?
Destroyed. Those who survived are all hiding out of sight.
Why are you not with them?
Right now, I only live to defeat the Lord of the Night.
I see.
That should be enough, Uncle.
Princess Xenia.
You are telling us then that you are not our enemy.
That's right.
Show some respect. This is Princess Xenia, the ruler of all Orphea. This is Galen, the Celestial Wolf, the one known as the hero of Goliath.
The hero of Goliath? What you said just now, Galen, about coming here to do battle against the Lord of Night, is this true?
Yes.
I see. Then I shall hold you to your words. Today, Orphea faces the biggest threat it has ever encountered. Even one man coming to our defense is a cause worthy of my gratitude.
You will not regret it.
Then I shall ask you for a favor. As you know very well, it has been about 3 months since the Lord of the Night appeared in the Central Plains. In a matter of days, he has burned the land to the ground and conquered every kingdom in his path. Then, in the evening 2 days ago, he finally arrived at this land. The army of the night now numbers in the millions. It attempts to devour Orphea with its hideous maw. Although our men have fought valiantly, their numbers are simply much too small. 2 forts have fallen in one night, and the enemy now stands at our gates. And now, Galen, I need you to travel south to the plains of Palma and win Vadai Keep back from the enemy. You will need to place this Elder Amulet onto the altar you will find there. Sealed within the Elder Amulet is the afterglow of the Orb of Light. By offering it to the altar, it will produce a shield of holy power. Until the next full moon, this shield shall protect the keep from all evil.
So the enemy won't be able to come back.
The power of the shield is not absolute. However, it has the power to greatly weaken any evil creature caught within it. Can I rely on you for this task?
Of course.
Forgive me, Galen. I was rude to you earlier, and I apologize. No, however, it was only to test your intentions. I pray for your success at Vadai. Well, there goes that barbarian, assigned with some rather heavy responsibility. Is this what you wanted?
Yes, I wanted to test him. to see how strong he really is.